Hey, quick question. Are you studying IB Computer Science in 2027? Whether you are aiming for that 7 at ASAL or pushing through HL, you are in exactly the right place. In the next 90 seconds, I am going to show you what Praxis IB is, what we cover, and how we can help you actually understand this subject, not just memorize it. Let's go. So what is Praxis IB? Praxis IB is the product of more than 20 years of computer science teaching experience, distilled into a single learning platform. It's not one person's notes, it's not generic course, it's 2 decades of figuring out what actually works in the IBCS classroom, what trips students up, what makes concepts click, packaged so you can use it on your own time. Designed specifically for the new IBCS 2027 syllabus. And everything connects, the videos, the worksheets, the practice questions, one coherent system. Here's the scoop. The full IBCS 2027 syllabus, both themes, every subtopic covered with a dedicated video. Theme A is concept of computer science. That includes computer fundamentals, hardware, data representation, operating system, translation, network fundamentals, databases, and etc. Theme B is computational thinking and problem solving. That's the approach to computational thinking itself. Programming fundamentals, data structures, constructs, algorithms, file processing, object-oriented programming, and etc. SL and HL both fully covered. Every subtopic gets its own dedicated video, taught in fluent, classroom-style English, with the kind of pacing you would get from a real teacher in a real classroom. Now here's what makes these videos different. First, they are taught, not just narrated. Each video is a real lesson with worked examples, common mistakes to avoid, exam tips. The pacing is like sitting in an actual classroom. Second, every single video description includes a downloadable worksheet, PDF, practice questions for that exact topic. So when you finish watching, you can immediately test yourself. And third, every description also points to Praxis IB, where you will find even more practice with AI-powered feedback on your answers. Learn it, practice it, master it, that's the loop. The videos are just one half of it. The other half lives at Praxis IB. On the platform, you get AI-powered practice questions generated on demand for any topic at any difficulty level. 120 questions on truth tables, 10 on networks, 5 on machine learning bias, done. And the feedback is instant and detailed. Don't just find out if you got it right, understand why. The AI explains your mistakes the way a teacher would. You can track your progress across the whole syllabus, see which topics you have nailed and which ones still need work. And every single question is aligned to the IB Computer Science 2027 syllabus. Now let's talk about what's actually waiting for you on the platform. 3 AI tools that work together. First, the AI Planner. The internal assessment is the part of IB Computer Science that stresses students out the most. And the planner is built to take that stress away. You start with the idea generation. Tell it your interest and your preferred programming language, and it gives you 5 original exam-ready IA ideas. Pick one, and the planner opens up a dedicated workspace for each of the 5 criteria: problem specification, planning, system overview, development, and evaluation. Each section comes with a built-in IB guidance, examiner notes, common term reminders, common mistakes to avoid. You write directly in the platform. The word count tracks toward the 2000 word limit automatically. And whenever you want feedback, the AI marks your work against the official IB mark bands and tells you exactly where you stand. Second, study tools. This is where you build your own revision materials. Pick a topic, pick a format, detailed study notes, flashcards, a summary sheet, or a checklist. And the AI generates it for you. Aligned to the 2027 syllabus, the flashcards are interactive, the checklists track your progress, everything is yours private to your account. And third, the question bank. This is the cool part. Every student who practices on the platform contributes questions to a shared bank. So the more we all use it, the bigger and the better question pool gets. You can practice from what's already there or generate new questions on any subtopic on demand. Either way, you are learning from a resource that's literally built by the community of students using it. 3 tools, 1 platform, praxisib.com. Sometimes videos and practice aren't enough. Sometimes you need someone to actually sit with you and walk through a problem. For students who want to, one-on-one tutoring is available, personalized sessions built around your specific weak spots, not a one-size-fits-all curriculum. Exam-focused, direct guidance on paper 1, paper 2, and your internal assessment from someone who spent 2 decades marking exactly these kind of papers. And flexible. Book sessions when you actually need them. Final exam preparation, AI crunch time, weekly support, your call. Just reach out through the platform if you are interested. So, who is this for? If you are an IB computer science student, SL or HL, aiming for a 7 or just trying to pass, these videos are made for you. If you are a teacher, supplementing your lessons, getting up to speed on the new 2027 syllabus, or just looking for ready-made resources, Praxis IB has you covered. And if you are a self-learner, studying without a teacher, catching up after missed classes, or preparing for retakes, everything you need is here. If you are touching IB Computer Science 2027 in any way, there is something here for you. Here is the whole point of Praxis IB in one sentence. Make IB Computer Science feel learnable, not overwhelming. That's it. That's the mission. Because IB Computer Science is genuinely a great subject, but the way it's often taught, dense slides, jargon-heavy textbooks, scattered resources, makes it feel harder than it is. So everything we do is built around 3 things: clear explanations, honest teaching, no fluff, and practical exam preparation that actually pays off when you sit down to write paper 1 or paper 2. So here's what to do next. Subscribe to the channel. Every IB Computer Science 2027 subtopic will land right into your feed as soon as the video drops. And head over to the Praxis IB for the AI-powered practice questions, the worksheet, the AI planner, and everything else. Welcome to Praxis IB. Let's make this year your best one yet. See you in the next video.